Okay, today we're going to do a little project here, just show you a few simple tools. Cutlery, knives, great for doing carving in green sand. This one's just a straight blade one. This one's had a bit of a curve put on it because you need to gouge and scoop out a little bit. Here's the hand rammer, hand turn hand rammer, just like we show in our books. The venting tool, bicycle spoke with a little turned wooden knob on it. Down sprue, a little bit of dowel, a pin in it. Another little bit of just a metal rod we use for tapping the patterns to loosen them. And a rough bit of wood. I'll show you what that's used for in a minute. Okay, let's do some moulding. Using green sand here. Got the mould boxes tipped upside down. Nicely conditioned green sand. Just thump it into the mould. Use a little screed tool. Get the excess off. But this is going to be the actual bottom of the mould, so you've got to have it nice and flat. There we go. Just put that aside for a minute. Put that back in the bin. We'd like to have the excess off the table. Back in the bin. Okay. Get that the right way. Now we're going to put some bit of graphite on the. It's just a bit of parting powder. Don't have to be real accurate the way you get it on there, as long as you get a bit on there. Spread it out with a soft bristle brush. Cheapy, bought at the bargain shops. Okay, now we'll put these in. We're just going to tap and press these in. Nice simple little shape pattern. They're just original parts off an old English car. Press them in. Use the wood, tap them down a bit. Give me a bit more. Right. Okay. What we're doing is put the sprue in. Take it out again. Need to cut the lines. Just indicate where they're going to go. Put the cope on. Put the little down sprue back in. Drop some more green sand in. Note how smooth and silky that is. Really nice. And it's been conditioned in the motorised gyratory riddle. Just about there. Having small mould boxes makes sense when you only got little parts to mould. centre sprue out. Use our funnel to make pouring. That's just a little old cheap plastic funnel. We show you that in the e-books. Do a bit of venting. See, pretty well right on the patterns. Venting just to let the gas and the air out when you pour. And wrap. Okay. Now, we'll dig these little fellas out. Do these first maybe. Bit of a fiddly job this. We're going in, coping out a little bit there. This is awkward to do, this is. Much easier if I had these set up on mounted patterns, which I might do with these one day. But at the moment, just for the sake of a demonstration, we're just showing what else you can do. The green sand that's packed down pretty hard. It's quite easy to carve, and the excess you can get rid of it once you've cleaned it out. It's all good. Don't be too fussy with it. Alright, that's got that done. I'll just clean this out a bit here. And that'll have to be blown out really hard. Make sure there's nothing, no loose grains in there. I'll put him aside for a minute. Going to work on this one now. I'm going to scoop out a little bit of stuff here, just to make it a little easier for the metal to run in. Encroach on the pattern a little bit, but as you'll see later, that'll be easy to fix up. All looking good. Again, clean it with the brush. Okay, now I'll have to wrap these patterns a little bit. This is what this is for. Now I'm going to wrap them back into the sand bin. Right. They're gone. Now, notice in here where I scooped out, there's quite a sharp little edge. You have to get rid of that because the metal comes in and it's going to hit that and act as a ramp and swirl inside, and it'll create turbulence. So you have to get rid of that. Just hit it out a little bit. That's all it needs. I'll just clean it down with the brush a little. Do a little blowing, just mouth blowing. Pretty right. just get rid of rowie in there. No more loose grains there. Okay, we're ready to make sure you always have markers on your cope and your drag so that they go back the same way, and make sure they're lined up before you start moulding. Okay, we're going to put that back together, ready to pour.